As a brand known for its affordable smartphones with unique designs, Tecno has been diversifying its smartphone lineup to compete head-to-head with the more known brands in the global market, including India. Today we got their Pova 5 limited edition designed in association with the world-famous survival shooting game Free Fire, and let's see if it can be the best gaming phone in its price range. Tecno has always shown us an amazing talent for making co-branded phones. Those impressive models, even though are mid-ranges, usually have distinctive features inside and out that set them apart from other brands. This time we got the Pova 5 Free Fire edition in two color variants. We can see that the packaging is not designed in a regular rectangular box but presented as a triangular prism. The appearance of the phone is shown on the right side, and on the other side, there's a cool character Kelly from the popular shooting game. If you like the game, I think this phone is a collectible peripheral where you can give it as a gift to your most reliable teammates in the game. If you got two phones like I did, you can put the two boxes together and they will turn into a rectangle that looks like the special supply pods from the Free Fire game. And now I can't wait to see what I can get out of these two supply pods, so let's check them out. Alright, that's all the stuff in the package. In addition to the usual phone accessories, we can also get a gift card for the Free Fire game and a nice set of stickers that I'll be putting on this phone case as well as my laptop, which will be a really cool gift for fans of this game. The variants we got were a blue model as well as another amber gold version. I don't know which one you would prefer, but personally I think the blue model looks more like a gaming phone. We can see that although both phones have the same shape texture on the back cover, the blue covers looks more like a metallic equipment that comes from the sci-fi world. Tecno brings a lot of Mac and GM elements to the Pova series, and this time the Pova 5 Free Fire edition brings that dazzling style to the forefront once again. It has a very flat body with a 9mm thickness. Luckily, there's a smooth transition between the frame and the screen, so it still feels good when holding the phone or sliding inwards from the edges, which is quite important for gaming phone since we might be holding long for intense gameplay. And I want to tell you a crazy figure that the phone has an amazing 6,000 mAh battery and it only weighs less than half a pound. Now I'm pretty sure that nobody is gonna complain that 9mm is too thick for this phone. On the left side of the phone, we have a gray slot, which is a composite one where you can install two SIM cards and a microSD card to expand the storage at the same time. There are a set of speakers on both the top and bottom of the phone, so you can get stereo sound when listening to music, watching movies, or even playing games without headphones. But at the same time, we still got the 3.5mm headphone jack, which makes sense. After all, only wired headphones can give you the lowest sound latency to get better performance in shooting games. The front face of the Pova 5 is covered with a 6.78-inch FHD Plus LCD screen. Compared to the Pova 4 Pro, the refresh rate of the screen is now increased to 120Hz, so you can get a smoother experience not only for playing FPS games, but also for daily uses like browsing social media. The brightness and the saturation of the screen still maintain an excellent level, though the OLED panel could have better contrast and pure black presentation. However, the problem of screen burning is still a minus that cannot be completely solved and guaranteed for good endurance of the OLED phone. So I think at least for now, the LCD panel is still an indispensable option for non-flagship models. The Tecno Pova 5 is powered by the Helio G99 chipset, and its balance of performance and excellent power efficiency have been proven in some of the other most popular Tecno phones. For most users, it performs well for all daily uses, as well as a smooth experience in those popular games. In the latest version of Free Fire, even when we turned the graphics settings to an ultra option, the phone still managed to achieve an average frame rate of over 45 in a full match. Thanks to Helio G99's excellent power efficiency, you won't experience any heat issues while gaming. The phone's temperature was always in an acceptable range, and there wasn't any sudden lag affecting my gameplay. For cameras, there's a 50-megapixel sensor on the prism-shaped camera decal and another sensor to assist in the depth of field recognition for portrait mode. And frankly, the image quality of the photos is not outstanding compared to others in the same price range, but Tecno is almost the only brand that offers full camera features and decent camera software on a budget phone, so you can still get a good shooting experience. And the lenses here can be very useful tools in some cases. Here are some samples for your reference. In good lighting, everything here looks fine. The phone has a 6,000 mAh built-in battery, which is enough to provide you with up to 2 days of battery life if you are not a gamer, and it's just as good as its predecessor when it comes to charging, with 45 watts of fast charging allowing the phone to collect back over 50% power in 30 minutes. Well, this is all we think is interesting about Tecno Pova 5 Free Fire Edition. I'm very happy to see the brand bringing some co-branded designs to more product lines, especially for budget lines. I think it's pretty cool to let more people own a specially designed phone, so please don't look down on its value. I still agree that it's an impressive gaming phone with perhaps the best expandability and power solution in its price range. Whether you are a Free Fire gamer or not, this is a very balanced phone that is worth recommending its price. If you want to learn more about this phone and the game, please click the link down below the video to learn more about it. Thanks for watching. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.